Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I came up with a new video and it is very useful for you. And this video is on how to draw isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle and scalene triangle. Here we use SSS condition, which is nothing but if you know all the three sides of a triangle, we can draw all the three sides. Okay. Now, first, in an isosceles triangle, I have drawn a side of length 7 centimeters. Then I am taking two more measurements, one with 5 centimeters and another one with 7 centimeters. With the help of compass and ruler, I can have exact measurement. So I am measuring the second side length, which is 5 centimeters, and drawing an arc from one of the vertex, and the vertex is A here. Next, as it is an isosceles triangle, it must have two sides of equal length. I am taking one more measurement with 7 centimeters, and these 7 centimeters must be taken from another vertex. That vertex is B. So with from B, I have drawn one more arc. The meeting point of these two arcs give me the third point. Let me give the name for this third point as C and join the vertices A and C to form side AC, and I am joining the vertices B and C to form the side BC. These are the three sides of isosceles triangle. In this, two sides are of equal length, 7 centimeters and 7 centimeters, and the third side length is 5 centimeters. Now we need to know another fact related to isosceles triangle, that the equal sides of an isosceles triangle have the angles with the third side which are congruent to each other. Now we are checking the congruency of an isosceles triangle. So what is meant by congruency? The equal sides will make equal angles with the third side. This is called as congruency. With the help of a protractor, I am measuring the angle. So I got almost, let me check the angle with the help of a protractor. So I got almost 70 degrees. So 70 degrees here. We need to check another side also for 70 degrees. So let me check with another side. Again, I am measuring the angle between the side AC and BC, and we got this also as 70 degrees. Let me measure the third angle such that whether this triangle satisfies the property of sum of all angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So 70 plus 70 and the last angle is 40 degrees. So we got 180 degrees. In this way, we can draw an isosceles triangle. Now we will see how to draw the scalene triangle. What is meant by scalene triangle? A scalene triangle is a triangle which has all the three sides with different lengths. Now I am taking one measurement out of all the three sides. First, we need to draw one side. This is the common thing which we need to observe in each and every triangle. I am giving the name of the two vertices as P and Q. Okay. So the length of PQ I am measuring with the help of a ruler, and it comes out to be 8 centimeters. What is the second step? Second step is to draw two arcs from the two vertices according to the required sides. I am considering the second side as 4 centimeters. So drawing an arc from P at a length of 4 centimeters. So this is the arc which is drawing, which I am drawing from the vertex P. Similarly, I am taking another length which is 6 centimeters. Let me do it with the help of a compass and ruler. Okay, so this is the 6 centimeters. Now from the vertex Q, I am drawing an arc at a distance of 6 centimeters. The meeting point of these two arcs again gives me the third point of the scalene triangle. Let me assume this point as R. Now we need to just join the vertex P with the vertex R so that we can obtain the side PR. Similarly, we need to join the vertex Q with the vertex R so that I can obtain the third side QR. So the sides of this triangle are now PQ, QR and RP. So what is the length of PR or RP? It is 4 centimeters, and the length of QR or RQ is 6 centimeters, and the length of PQ is 8 centimeters. So this type of triangle is called as scalene triangle because it has all the three sides of different length. Okay. This is the way of drawing the scalene triangle. Now we are ready with equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, we know already, is a triangle which has all the three sides of equal length. Now I am drawing an equilateral triangle of equal length, means with all the three sides of equal length. So let me consider the two vertices as x and y. So the length is 6 centimeters of this side. What must be the lengths of remaining two sides? They are also 6 centimeters. Then only we can call the triangle as equilateral triangle. So I am measuring with the help of a compass and ruler 6 centimeters. So from the vertex X, I am making an arc at a distance of 6 centimeters. Similarly, without changing or without disturbing the compass, I am making one more arc. I am drawing one more arc from the vertex Y at a distance of 6 centimeters. Now the meeting point of these two arcs will give us the third point, and the third vertex is called as Z. Let me join the vertex X and vertex Z so that I can get the side XZ, and let me join the vertex Z and the vertex Y so that I can get the side YZ. Now I have drawn a triangle named XYZ where all the three sides are of equal length. What is that equal length? 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 6 centimeters. Now, for equilateral triangle, we need to check the congruency, which is nothing but the angles made by each side. All the internal angles of an equilateral triangle are equal to each other, and they are equal to 60 degrees. So with the help of a protractor, we can measure all the three angles. Okay. So how can we use the protractor? We need to keep the base of the protractor along one side and measure from 0 to that side. Then we can obtain the angle between the two line segments. In this way, we can measure the angles. So let me check whether I got the same angles for the equilateral triangle or not. Yes, I got all the angles as 60 degrees, 60 degrees and 60 degrees. In this way, we can check the congruency of equilateral triangle, which has all the three sides of equal length. So this is the story about equilateral triangle, similarly scalene triangle and isosceles triangle. I hope you have understood how to draw the triangles, different types of triangles based upon SSS condition, and how to check their congruency. If you have any doubts, please please post them in the comment section. If you really like this video, please hit a like button. Share this video to your friends so that it can reach to many, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for your patience.